recently upgraded to the Walt brushless from Ryobi. Pretty happy, but there are a few things I miss in the Ryobi design of this impact driver. One word, magnets, and how you can enhance the Walt impact driver or any other drivers without the magnets or the bit holder. I can see it works really well. So I hot glued using this cheap glue gun and glued a piece of magnets here. And alternatively, you can use a very strong rare earth magnets like so. And let's see how many screws it can hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4. I think that's 5. 6, 7, 8. I think that's reasonably, well, and also this one, you can have a bit here, very, very strong. Also, what's cool about this DeWalt bits is that the magnetic holder is included that allows you to hold a bit very securely, like so. I think this is a must for any bit driver. Go to the second gear, third gear. Very, very strong. In some cases, it really frees up one hand as you do this. Yeah, I always wanted something like this. Super, super strong. There you go. And with this magnet, it really allows you sometimes to use it to make something feel like a screw pan, magnetic pan. And magnets are widely used by me in my garage on these remotes. So this is my Bose stereo. I can just, because this is metal. I will never lose my remote. So there you go. And in the future, I'll probably think about do a DIY bit holder here. You could potentially, screw this one here, but probably too much. So one magnet will do all the job. Holds it just fine. But this one can be totally used. Maybe a horizontal one like this, a bit holder like those. It would work perfectly. Yeah. The top one here isn't the strongest. But for a few screws, it's perfectly fine. I would argue it's even better than the one below that sometimes you may hit your hand. And here on the top, it's easy to store and grab, and this is also a magnet, then works really helps a lot.